So good morning. Good morning. So as you know, SMB is known for activities, speech program, public speaking, communication skills, and interviews, and many more things. Right. We are trying to inculcate the students of Begusarai and the people of Begusarai communication skills, public speaking, very cheaply say the spoken English, right? Interview, activities, speech program, right? Professional English, and many more things. I cannot explain what I am doing here, right? And there is the token of all these things you will see in these students. Can you please show our viewers these guys? How are you feeling today? Yes. Very sad. Dead bodies are sitting here, right? Can I see your energy? Yes. Do you have energy? Yes, sir. See, people want to live, they believe they will have second life. They believe they have second life. First they will experience this life, and after that they will live better life. Last life and first life you have, right? So now, without wasting your time, I want to start, okay? So I want to hand over the mic.
Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Welcome to a unique event where energy, creativity, and knowledge come together in rapid succession. Hi, I am Sobia Sameem, and I hope you guys are perfectly fine and doing well.
Yeah. Hi, I am Asma, and today we are very thrilled to be your host today. Today the performance will be very short, but that will be very powerful.
Yes, Asma. You know what, my dear friends? That every stage is an opportunity. Every stage is an opportunity to express, to learn, and to inspire others. So let's make today a special day, a special moment, and mesmerizing day for all of us, as we always do.
Right, Shobya, you are very right. You know, everyone has their own. Everyone who will come onto the stage has their own stories, and every stories will teach you a lot of things. So let's be ready for learning, and let's start this program.
Exactly, my dear friends. You know what? We all have already what we have witnessed such type of performance already, and we hope that we will make this day even better and best for all of us. If we are sitting here for some time, we have to take a pray that we have to take a oath that we have to learn something new from this day, and we expect from all of you to keep your every energy from till end of the program. Will you support us?
Yes.
Please speak louder.
Yes.
Great. So, what do you say, Asma? We have to start. तो चलिए ले चलते हैं आपको एक ऐसी दुनिया में जहाँ पर कॉन्फिडेंस, एनर्जी, क्रिएटिविटी एंड नॉलेज राज करती है.
Yes. Right, exactly. I hope you will be very excited. तो तालियों के गूंज के साथ शुरुआत करते हैं आज का ये परफॉर्मेंस.
Please.
Let's begin the program without further delay. Let's call the first student. She is none other than Miss Ashia. Please come on to this.
Good morning, everyone. Good morning. First of all, your opportunity to introduction myself. My name is Asya Khatun, and my father's name is MD Jainul. He is farmer, and my mother's name is Sanjari Khatun. I live at Pokhariya. I have completed my graduation SK Mahila College, Begusarai. I am from Begusarai. I have two sisters and two brothers. My elder brother's name is MD Mister, and younger brother's name is MD Firoz. Today I talk about very beautiful topic, that is money. Money is very necessary part of our life. Human being to need money. Everyone work for money. Money is not everyone. Money is not everyone in this world. Money can buy house, but not a home. Money can buy bed, but not a sleep. It can buy clock, but not a time. It can buy books, but not a knowledge. Money can buy earn position is with not.
Good going, very nice. Keep going.
It can buy food, but not hungry. In today's time, almost everything in this world. Money save you. Money save. If you save money, will today save you tomorrow. If you have money, you have respect. If you don't have money, you have no respect. इंसान कहते हैं ना, पैसा है तो आपकी हर कोई इज्जत करेगी, वरना कोई इज्जत नहीं करेगी. A person gets respect only he was, otherwise no respect. Money box from the hospital to the communication ground. पैसा हॉस्पिटल से लेके कब्रिस्तान तक चलती है. Money is changing everyone. Money is happiness. Money gives power. Money gives confidence. Money gives beauty. Money gives in the travel.
Right.
Thank you. I will share one code. हिंदी. मुश्किल नहीं है कुछ इस दुनिया में. मुश्किल नहीं है कुछ इस दुनिया में. तू जरा हिम्मत तो कर. तू जरा हिम्मत तो कर. ख्वाब बदलेगी हकीकत में. ख्वाब बदलेगी हकीकत में. तू जरा कोशिश तो कर. तू जरा कोशिश तो कर. Thank you.
And I guess she has done tremendous well. What do you say, guys? Exactly. We all need to support each and every member, whoever come on the stage. Okay. She was from the Group E. So now I would like to move to the another contestant from Group E. Please welcome Miss Sharia. Please have a big round of applause for her.
First of all, thank you so much this opportunity to introduce me myself. My name is Sharia Khatun. I read in class 11th. I live in Khatupur. My father's name is MD Afzal. My elder brother's name is MD Aslam. There are 9 people in my family. I belong to a medium class my family. My father is businessman and my mother is homemaker. I am a student. My school name is Umar Balika Plus 2 High School, Bisnupur. My hobby is read book, painting and anything. Let's start my topics. Firstly, I am beautiful quotes and Hindi. पैसा दुनिया का एक वाहिद ऐसा चीज़ है जिसे छूने से पहले लोग ये नहीं पूछा करते ये किस जात से बिलोंग करता है, ये किस जात का है. पैसा ये दलित है या ब्राह्मण है या अमीर है या गरीब है, इससे कोई फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता. इसे किसी ने हाथ धो के छुआ था या नहीं छुआ था, इससे भी कोई फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता. अगर बनना है तो अपने आप को पैसे की तरह बनाओ, अपने आप को उस मुकाम पर ले जाओ, अपने आप को उस काबिल बना लो कि तुम्हें जज करने वाले मजबूर हो जाए तुम्हें जज करने पे. Today is almost everything is possible with money. Money is a necessary part of our life. Everyone should save money for future life. Money say, if you save today, I will save tomorrow. Money can't buy happiness. Money is everyday useful. It can have money. If you have money, you can good education. If you have money, you can good big house. It is the that can help all problem solve with money. Money is a necessary part of our life. Money is the proud. Money is the education, gives education. Money gives attitude. Money gives facility. Today is the almost everything is the possible with money.
Yes.
That's all about me. Thank you so much.
You completely captivated the eyes of audience towards your speech. What a great thought you have. And now, please give a big round of applause for Miss Saria. Okay. So now we ended up Group E here, and let's move to the another group, which is Group D. Let's give another big round of applause. Wait. Before revealing the name, I would like to tell you one thing, that you guys need to keep and cheer every members and keep this energy till end. Now we would like to call Mr. Haris on the stage. Please.
Good morning, everyone. Good morning. How are you? I'm fine. And you? I'm also perfectly fine. This is me, Haris. Today I feel highly privileged and honored to talk about such a crucial topic, and that is mother. But before that, I would like to show my humble gratitude to my sir who gave me such a wonderful opportunity to present my views here. I think that if there is anyone after God, it's my mother. Mother and children relation is the strongest bond which cannot be compared with other relationship. Mother is the one of the best relation. In her arms we feel comfort which we'll never find anywhere else in this world. That's why never hurt your mother, never disrespect her, even in anger, never abandon her. Remember, she is the only one who loved you before you even took your first breath. She carried you for months, felt every move now, and endured pain just to bring you into this world. So you could pursue yours. But let me ask you, have you ever thank you for listening to me.
Next, I would love to call onto this stage Miss Khushbu. Please come here.
Everyone. Good morning. How are you? I'm fine. I am perfectly fine. I am Khushbu Parveen. My topic is mothers. Mothers play an important role in everyone's lives. Having a mother in our life is a gift. Having a mother in life our is a gift. Mothers play multiple roles for their kids. Mothers are the first teacher in the world. Mothers are the first teacher in the world who not only teach us to believe in ourselves, but also help learn how to speak, behave, and our thinking. Mothers becomes the first teacher who improve child development, including physical, emotional, communication, and independence their language, thinking skills. Mothers supporting, taking care, many more. Mothers keeps you behind. Mothers keeps you strong behind all the successful stories. The mothers where you are going to school, college, office, she is supporting you. माँ ने उम्र भर संभाला ही था, माँ ने उम्र भर संभाला ही है, हमें तो जिंदगी रुलाया है। माँ ने उम्र भर संभाला ही था, हमें तो जिंदगी रुलाया है। कैसे पड़ती मुझे कांटों की आदत, माँ ने तो गोद में सुलाया। थैंक यू।
Warming performance you have given. Exactly, for the group D, I would like to say seriously, mother is seriously important for all of us, because after her we are like nothing. We have to be careful and we have to respect each and every, like father and mother both. But mother take care of us every moment, because if she is not well, still she will take care of you, because you are her child. So please respect her. This is advice I can say, because after that you will regret a lot. So now we here ended up Group D, and now we have to move another group, which is Group C. Now we have to call on the stage Mr. Razaullah. Please come on the...
Good morning, everyone. Good morning. It's my pleasure to introduce of education. Education is the process of acquiring knowledge, skills, values, and attitudes. It plays a fundamental role in shaping society by promoting critical thinking. Through education, people gain the tools they need to improve their lives, contribute to their communities, and understand the world around them. It serves as a foundation for personal and professional growth. Education also fosters social and economic progress. It encompasses formal settings like schools and universities. Education empowers individuals to unlock their potential that drive innovation and communicate effectively. It empowers individuals to unlock their potential that drive innovation and communicate effectively. Education is essential for empowering women and contribute and promoting equality. Education it provides confidence and promoting it provides confidence and independence, enabling women to break barriers and contribute meaningfully to society. Educated women often prioritize education for their children. Education provides rich individuals to unlock their potential that drive innovation and personal growth. Tell me, from which language education comes? Anybody tell me? Okay, let me tell. Education has been originated from the two Latin words, e and duco. E means out of, duco means I lead. So it's mean I can lead or develop. Education is a vital pathway to a better life. Education can break the barriers of disadvantage. If you are a student and I ask you about the career option, you will choose for yourself in the future. I can guarantee that 90% you would answer where engineer, doctor, and MBA and a government job. So thank you for listening.
Informative speech it was. Yes, sir. Such an informative speech it was. It seems like you have done a very tremendous research as well. So next, I would love to call onto the stage Miss Sanjana. Please come here.
Good morning. Today I am going to talk about education. What is education? Education is not only book. It can change your mentality. It can change your personal and professional life. Education, full form: energy, discipline, aim, energy, discipline. Good. Energy, discipline, unity, confident, aim, talent, interest, opportunity, nationality.
Wow.
5 types of education. First, personal growth. Second, social growth. And third, socio-economic development. And fourth, lifelong learning. And fifth, make a better world. And first, personal growth. Education helps people develop critical thinking and problem solving skills, which can help them make a smart choice and solve skills. It also help people understand different possibility and prepare gently in private and public. Education helps create a more equal of success world for everyone. It's important to remember that education is fundamental rights that can bring about change in society. And lastly, I share one beautiful quote: one book, one copy, one pen, one teacher can change the world. Thank you for listening.